So, hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading, no contact reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 10 till the 16th of Feb. The roles can be reversed also, the action can be from your side also, not resonating, not your story. You can just skip the video. It's a journal reading. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box and you will be able to find the links for the same. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono, the masterclass link is given below. This is life changing. Trust me, I'm doing it from a very long time now. Let's see, Pisces. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. So we have the Seven of Cups, the Six of Pentacles, and the Page of Swords. So what is happening here is that this person is super confused, imbalanced in their emotions, but they're watching you from a distance, like watching you online from fake profiles or stalking you online as much as they can from their side, simply curious about what you are doing and what you are not doing. And it's like they have options, or they're keeping their options open, but they're not able to find somebody like you, and they're highly disappointed by the options that they have in their love and relationship area. So they're watching you from a distance and trying to know what you are up to and everything like that, and simultaneously being very disappointed about how their love and relationship area is going on at this present moment. They're not able to find somebody like you. Wow. And I'm not saying it's just to make you happy, it's the truth here, because they're trying to balance their energies with somebody, or you can say with more than one option, but they're not able to find that balance and that happiness that they used to feel with you at some point of time. I'm laughing in between because this person is trying to fool themselves only, nobody else. And they feel they are some kind of over smart person, but at the end of the day, they are feeling foolish. Wow. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Pisces? I'm at my parents' house, and there is so many distractions. So bear with me for a few days. Let's see. What are their intentions here? Let's see, honey. We have the Four of Wands and the Eight of Wands in the Chariot. See, this person wants to talk to you before moving on completely from the situation. They want to talk to you, maybe a proper closure, maybe heart-to-heart communication where both of you are trying to make the other person understand their point of view regarding commitment. Something they want to talk to you, something about commitment, long-term partnership, and or marriage before moving on completely from this particular situation between you and them. So it's like basically having heart-to-heart communication. If you guys are at a long distance, they want to meet you face to face and talk to you about commitment, marriage, and a stable relationship kind of a deal. I don't think it's going to be between you and them only. It's going to be like something related to commitment was the issue here between you guys, and they want to talk to you about that with all of their heart and soul, right? And they want to listen to you as well. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, till the 16th of Feb. Let's see, honey. We have the Queen of Wands, the Ace of Cups, the High Priestess. It's like they're taking some kind of action towards you, then boom, ghosting you again. It's like opening up to you because their heart is telling them to do so, and then once they are going to open up to you, then nothing. They are going to ghost you again, or they are going to go in the ghost mode again, or silent mode again. They are going to be like, oh my god, I did something wrong here, and I should shut my mouth. I should just disappear, because although I wanted to talk to Pisces, now I don't know what to say to them or how to go ahead with this situation. So goodbye. Wow. So basically, you can expect this person to connect and then disappear. Boom. In thin air. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys. Hierophant. Listen to your higher self. Your higher self is going to guide you in each and every step of this connection. It's fucking cold here. I don't like cold weather at all. I'm sorry, Pisces. So please connect with your higher self And how to connect with your higher self, how to listen to your higher self? Meditate, spend time with yourself, or take help from somebody who is a healer, who is a guru, who is a mentor, who is somebody who can help you to connect with your higher self more and more. Basically connecting with your inner self, you can say higher self, inner self, or universe, God, whatever you call it. Okay, because you intuitively know what you should do and what you should not do in your love and relationship area. So follow your intuition. Okay, follow your gut, and you will be uh, like you will be protected from something that you should not be dealing with your life anymore, within your life anymore, because it's kind of not aligning with your energies and values anymore. Yeah. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.